Hello guys, welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. So today's video is about the detailed summary of each chapter of the Jamb 2019 novel titled Sweet 16. Okay, so today's video I'm going to be showing you where you can get the detailed summary of each chapter of Sweet 16 free of charge, no payment. You don't need to join any WhatsApp group to get the detailed summary. All right, and after this video, please just make sure you follow us by subscribing. After this video, I'm going to also post the video on questions and answers, okay, a Q&A video where you can get several questions on the Jamb novel, okay, that's Sweet 16. All right, so if this is your first time on this channel, DTW Tutorials is an educational channel that supports students preparing for your WAEC, your NECO, your GC, your Jamb, just like we're doing right now. If you've noticed, if you're a subscriber, and thank you for subscribing and following DTW Tutorials. Okay, recently we uploaded this video, which is your Jamb 2018 maths past question solve. That's your last year Jamb 2018 maths past question solve. You can see this is for WAEC last year, that was 2018 maths past question solve. All right, and on our channel we have several years. We have I think there's Jamb 2017 maths, and also I think physics. Okay, this is physics. This is physics Jamb physics 2017. Okay, and you also have what 2017 maths past question solved. All right, so this is the time to start preparing, and I tell you, if you watch these videos, they're going to get you over 60% prepared, okay, for your forthcoming exam. Now is the time to start reading. This is not the time to watch any seasonal movie or any other movie. Okay, let these videos be your movie. Wake up at night and watch these videos to get you in the right mindset for your exams. Okay, it's not too late to start preparing for your exams. Please start now. All right, so please don't forget to click the subscribe button, okay, to follow DTW Tutorials. It is free. There's no payment to subscribe. Don't be afraid to subscribe. Just click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell to get instantly notified whenever I upload an educational video for you. And don't forget, after this video on the summary, the next video is on the Q&A, question and answers on the Jamb novel, all right, which is very key in your exams. It carries a lot of marks, so you need to actually know the detail of the novel. All right, okay, so don't forget, please give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, family, loved ones. This channel, share it with your friends, family, loved ones. You can see several videos that I've uploaded free of charge. You can download on your phone through the YouTube app and watch online, offline. Okay, you watch offline several repeatedly as you watch it offline. All right, so please share this channel with your friends, family, and loved ones, and please subscribe. Okay, give this video thumbs up. If you have any question, please feel free, drop a comment in this video. All right, so how do you get the detailed summary of the Jamb 2019 novel Sweet 16? All you need to do is go to the DTW Tutorials blog. Okay, that's why I've created this blog for you, so that I can put text, okay, based materials for you. All right, okay, you can see there are downloads here, your syllabus. If you don't have your Jamb syllabus now, you can go here too to download your Jamb syllabus, your WAEC syllabus. Okay, as I said, for your post UME, there are past questions also, and on our channel also, I've also solved some post UME past questions, your Unizik, UNN, and I think OAU, footer, okay, solved videos. All right, and after your Jamb, definitely I'm going to also be uploading a lot of post UME for school. So make sure you follow us on YouTube, follow us on our blog, follow us everywhere, okay, because we're here to support you in your education. All right, and also here you have online tests, CBT tests on the go to test yourself maths and physics, and also for your WAEC. All right, so to get the full detailed summary of the Jamb novel Sweet 16, all you need to do is just click on this post. Okay, so you have it here. All right, you can see this is the detailed summary of each of the 7 chapters. All right, so you have it here. So all you need to do is just go to DTW Tutorials blog, that's dtwtutorials.com, and click on the post, or come to academic. You're going to see the post there. All right, and read, and please don't forget to share. Okay, share to your friends. All right, this is it. Share on Twitter, on WhatsApp, share and discuss. All right, and if you have any comments, please feel free to drop on if you want to discuss anything about the Sweet 16 novel, please drop your comments and we shall chat about it. All right. So thank you for staying tuned to DTW Tutorials. You are destined to win in this forthcoming Jamb 2019 exam. Please, it is now you have to start preparing. Don't waste your time. You just have barely a month. All right. Please start preparing now. All right. You are destined to win. Don't forget, Jesus Christ is coming soon. Give your life to Christ. You are destined to win. Bye.